Hi, and thank you for joining us in another video here at the channel. As you can see, today we're going to make stout pork steaks, and these are the ingredients you need for this dish. For more details, you can check our website and have a look at other steak recipes we have there. At the beginning, you need to thin the steaks well and season them with dry spices, pepper and salt. After you finish thinning the steaks, be sure to season them evenly on both sides. Next thing you need to do is to roll the steaks in flour, and after you're finished doing that, just set them aside. At this point you're going to need a pan so you can fry bacon on medium heat until crispy. After bacon is done, you can set it aside and use this fat to cook the steaks. Fry the steaks until they reach that nice yellow crust. So let's start forming that delicious sauce. Add some oil and then fry onions, carrot and celery. Now it's time to add rest of the vegetables and seasoning. After vegetables softened, add some tomato puree and stout beer. Let everything cook for about 10 minutes. When sauce is cooked, use half of the vegetables and place them in the bottom. Then place layer of meat, other half of vegetables, add remaining steaks and top it with sauce and bacon. Follow the instructions and cook for about 90 minutes. As a side dish, we chose boiled potatoes and a fresh salad. Enjoy and feel free to comment and tell us what you think about this recipe, and stay clever.